Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a webmail account on your Cpanel. Alright, so as soon as you log into your Cpanel, how do you create a webmail? You have access to your dashboard this way, your Cpanel dashboard this way. Click on the drop down menu, then click on accounts. Alright, in our case we need to create a new webmail account. Now how do we do that? You click on create. Alright, then insert your desired account name that you used to create the webmail for. Then if the account name happens to be Jonah, leave it at Jonah, and at this, then you generate a password, a dedicated password. All this ensure you generate secured password. Then you click on the generate button to generate a password for you. Copy this password and save it somewhere safe. And when you are done, you click on create. Now that the account has been created, how do you access the account? Now, as you were creating the account, remember you were able to create the password. So how do you log in into the account? Your webmail account, you'd go to your domain name /webmail, right? And you insert the username and the password. And the username here is this, and the password is saved somewhere. From the backend as well, from the Cpanel control, you can also click on manage to reset the password. You can click on check email to check the email from the Cpanel. And that's how to create a webmail account. See you in the next video.